Hey, what's up, guys? And it's Johnny, and welcome to the first episode of food tutorial, I guess. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a post-workout shake. All right, follow me. All right, guys, let's get started. Obviously, the first thing you're gonna need is a blender, and this one's pretty nice. I mean, you can use whatever, but this one's pretty nice. All right, and then to make this shake, you're gonna need these 5 ingredients: silk almond unsweetened, berry melody, 1 banana, phase 8 protein, and finally some egg whites. Alright, let's make this shake. Alright, guys, so first you're gonna need 100 milliliters of egg white, alright, just like that. And second, you're gonna need the milk, silk almond milk, and pour half a cup of that. Alright. Alright, then you're gonna need your berries, your frozen berries, and pour just a cup of that. That's about it. Alright. And then you're gonna need your banana. Obviously, split in half. And just dump them in there. Pretty easy. And finally, your protein powder. Just dump a whole scoop of it. Just like that. But you guys know me, you know, pretty big. So you're gonna need a second scoop and just dump that right in there. Alright. Now that that's done, you put on the cover, or the top, whatever. Close it. Turn it on, and let's get to it. Bam. Look at that. Didn't I tell you it was good? And it was quick too. Alright, now you definitely know what the final step is. Taking this off first. Alright. Yep. Now it's okay, sorry. Okay, but yep, time to drink up. Thank you for watching.